Meanwhile, the top court has vacated a 6-year-old interim stay on running of dance bars in Maharashtra. The Supreme Court has upheld the Bombay High Court verdict, quashing the Maharashtra government's decision to ban dance bars. The Bar Dancers Association has welcomed the top court's verdict.
Today, the Supreme Court upheld the Bombay High Court order allowing the dance bars and also striking down the Maharashtra government legislation which has prohibited dance bars in Maharashtra as well as in Mumbai. We are joined by Mr. Thakur, who is also the chairman of the dance bar committee, and also his colleague. So you have been waiting for the last 7 years to this to happen.
यस सर, हम लास्ट 7 साल से हम इंतजार कर रहे थे. हमारा लॉन्ग बैटल था जिसमें सुप्रीम हाई कोर्ट में हमने 2006 में हमारा जो बैटल था हमने जीता हुआ था और फिर गवर्नमेंट ने मुंह किया हुआ था हमारे अगेंस्ट में. ये 7 साल की लॉन्ग लड़ाई में हमारी तरफ से सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जो चीफ जस्टिस है उनकी तरफ से हमको एक न्याय मिला हुआ है. और जो हमारी इतने सारे नियर अबाउट 70,000 बार गर्ल्स डांसर थी वो लगभग 7 साल में नियर अबाउट रास्ते पे आ गई थी. जो कि अब हो सकता है कि उनका अब जो गवर्नमेंट ने रिहेबिलिटेशन का प्रॉमिस किया तो उन्होंने कुछ रिहेबिलिट किया नहीं, लेकिन अभी डांस बार चालू होने से काफी कुछ जो महिलाएं जो रास्ते पे आ गई थी या गलत धंधे में चली गई थी उनका सही तरीके से उनका डांस बार खुले रहने से उनका परिवार और उनका पालन भरण पोषण हो सकता है.
So you are the secretary here.
Yes, I am the advisor for the...
So now we have been told while during the course of argument, and some people even went to prostitution because of no work in dance bars. So now what will happen now?
So it's some kind of relief for those girls, those who are willing to work on dance bars. They can earn their livelihood over there. So it was in Maharashtra for last 30 years. All of a sudden the government declared ban in 2005.
Okay.
So for last 8 years they were suffering, and we are waiting for this long battle to end. Today we got the relief, and we are very much thankful to the Supreme Court for this relief and all.
But one thing, is it easy to get license gets kick-started now? Because one of the lawyers for the dance bar girls told the court saying that they may find difficulty, the government can frustrate them, may not grant license. Do you expect some sort of practical difficulties even after the Supreme Court order?
We can't preempt to government's action right now. So at least the relief is the big thing for right now. So and we have already licenses in more than 300 licenses in Bombay. So that has to be renewed according to the court direction. Yes.
So आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता this won't hurt you because this judgment you can straight away when the dance bars will function right now from after this judgment?
We have to discuss the technicalities with our advocates. What are the findings of the court? We have to observe what are the observations of the court. We have to go through it. And in case if there is a need of dialogue with the government, we are ready to that.
In a news that will bring joy to bar dancers and also the Dance Bar Association in Mumbai, the Apex Court has lifted the ban on dancing in beer bars. To talk more on this, I am joined by Flavia Agnes, prominent lawyer and social activist. Ma'am, thank you so much for speaking with NDTV. So a huge relief for you?
It is a very huge relief, but alongside it's also a huge responsibility. How we are going to take this judgment forward and how we are going to provide safety and protection to the girls. And I think I'm overwhelmed, I'm overjoyed that the long struggle of the dancers for such a long period where they suffered so seriously they got justice today in the Supreme Court. We got justice in High Court, and now again in the Supreme Court we got justice. Now it is the responsibility of the state and the bar owners to say what kind of protection they will give the girls, and it is our responsibility also to ensure that this will actually happen and the girls will have a better life now.
Okay. Do you think one of the reasons why the judgment is in your favor is because you had pointed out that despite the ban which was imposed in 2005, there are many places where such dancing is still carried out? Not openly though.
That is not the reason why we won. We won because Supreme Court kept asking the state what kind of measures for their rehabilitation that you have provided. What happened to these girls? And the state have no answer. They were doing nothing at all. And the court said that, but these 75,000 is a huge number. What are you doing? Nothing you have done. And the state would call us and say, what have you done? What have you done? What have the NGOs done? This is not our responsibility. You have stopped the dancing and you have not put any rehabilitation scheme which you had assured. And the girls are nowhere today. And the girls are just dying everywhere. And that is the reason I think we won the case.
Do you think in the guise of dancing, prostitution was carried out and that was one of the concerns that was raised by the state government?
State government was full of hypocrisy. Because as the prostitution has never stopped. They never attacked the prostitution per se. They just attacked the bars where dancing is to happen. So there is no logic in that ban at all, and any court can see it. So High Court saw it and Supreme Court saw it.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो आया है फैसला जो आप कह रहे हैं उसके डिटेल्स देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और क्योंकि सदन का सब कामकाज चल रहा है तो हम इसके बारे में गृह मंत्री आर पाटिल जी से अपेक्षा रखेंगे कि राज्य सरकार ने अपना जो नियम कानून बनाए उसके बारे में सुप्रीम कोर्ट में उन्होंने ठीक तरीके से सब अपना जो कहना है वो रखा है कि नहीं है, और उसके लाइट में अब आगे क्या करना है इसके बारे में। अगर सरकार इसके बारे में अगर कुछ कानून बनाना भी चाहती है तो वो भी उसको चैलेंज करने के लिए फिर उनको सुप्रीम कोर्ट तक जाना पड़ेगा।